Nomads, it's Tanya, and today I'm doing something kind of different and special from what I normally do. I'm going to try to do that pineapple internet trick I keep seeing everywhere where you try to eat a pineapple one little fruit section at a time. Now in the video where they do the trick, the pineapple looks much different than the one I got at the store. It has like much sharper points on the individual fruits, and this green part is sort of smaller. But I did see someone on the internet do it, and they said that it works best when the fruit is ripe as possible. Now this one's a little yellow at the bottom, you can see here, but at the top it's still a little green, which means it's not fully ripe. But I was storing it upside down for a couple days since I bought it, which I've been told is supposed to help it ripen. So I'm gonna start trying to eat it from the bottom, and hopefully it goes kind of well. So the first thing I do whenever I eat a pineapple is I just twist off the top. Or see, it twists off really easily. So that makes everything a lot easier to handle. And then the person I saw do it on the internet said that actually rolling it like you would like a lime to get more lime juice out of it might help loosen the sections a little. Ugh, so I'm gonna roll it, put my weight on it. It's giving a little, it definitely smells pineapple-y now. And now I'm gonna score it along the individual fruit sections to cut it initially before I try it. So you can see these natural lines of the fruit. I'm just gonna cut it along those lines and try not to cut myself in the process, which always ruins my day, but makes for a better YouTube video, of course. Okay, scored it a little. I'm gonna try to take this top off. All right. Oh my goodness, one just popped off actually, but that's the one that I pre-scored, so that's cheating. So I'm just gonna get it started with the ones that are pre-scored and then try to do it for real. So, okay, this is what we have so far. I pulled off a bunch of chunks that I pre-scored to get the top off. And now I'm going to try to take a few off one at a time. Okay, so I'm sort of pushing forward and up. All right, that one sort of came off. This is a good pineapple. This part that I sort of let ripen, ooh, juice everywhere. The part that's ripened is very sweet, but not like too sweet, not too sour. So if I stick my nails in a little, you can see it comes off. So I stick my nails and sort of pre-perforate it, but it doesn't come off that easy. Oh, that one came out kind of easy. I don't know if it's like cheating to stick your nails in a little and push in and up. So what I'm doing is I'm sort of pushing in, and I still have to like shove my nails in to get a piece out. It's not as easy as the video for sure. Oh, now I'm getting to the green part of the fruit. See here? Not great. It works, but it doesn't work easily like that video. It does look nice though. And it does taste good. Oops. Well, there you have it. I tried the trick. It didn't work great. If I'm doing something wrong, please let me know in the comments below. And if I'm using the wrong kind of pineapple, maybe let me know what kind of pineapple this works best for. And if you like these kinds of videos, let me know in the comments below too, and I can do more of them. And if you want to see my travels and my food adventures, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell to be notified when more videos are available. Until next time, bye!